So, YouTube family, this situation with Julio Foolio has taken yet another turn. This time, all three suspects were seen in court, not just Gutazay, and a lot was said in court. I'm going to show you guys the court appearance, not only for Gutazay, but it was also the court appearance for all three suspects that they got involved. Rashard wasn't there, and of course, they're still looking for Davion, but I'm going to fall back and let you guys look at that right now. The only thing I want you to do is smash that like button, hit that notification bell. Thank you for rocking out with the I Smoke Hip Hop Live platform. Let's go.
Tonight, a closer look at the birthday celebration that ended in the brutal death of a Jacksonville rapper. Charles Jones, known as Julio Foolio, was shot and killed in the parking lot of a Tampa hotel back in June. Today, 3 people charged with his murder in court. All 3 are from Jacksonville, and evidence shows all 3 were in Tampa the same night Julio Foolio was killed.
3 gunmen can be seen on video coming from where the Impala was parked, and they approached the victim's position on foot and began shooting at him.
Prosecutors say the shooting was gang-related and the suspects were on a mission to kill.
You see them carrying a bag large enough to what? Carry 2 AK-style rifles. That was the whole intention of this trip to Tampa. They came heavily armed.
Investigators believe the suspects followed the rapper's social media posts to locate him, their cell phone activity matching his exact path from various clubs to his hotel, but defense attorneys disputing that claim.
His phone was in a car that was tracked at these different places, but yet my client was never seen getting in and out of that car and was never identified as a person who was a shooter.
Tonight, a closer look at the birthday celebration that ended in the brutal death of a Jacksonville rapper. Charles Jones, known as Julio Foolio, was shot and killed in the parking lot of a Tampa hotel back in June. Today, 3 people charged with his murder in court. All 3 are from Jacksonville, and evidence shows all 3 were in Tampa the same night Julio Foolio was killed.
3 gunmen can be seen on video coming from where the Impala was parked, and they approached the victim's position on foot and began shooting at him.
Prosecutors say the shooting was gang-related and the suspects were on a mission to kill.
You see them carrying a bag.
Now, what I see on that video might be another suspect, but we're not going to even get into that. It shows you that TK Water was absolutely correct when he said, even after Foolio's case, it's not done with. They're going to get more answers, meaning they're going to have more members of 1200 Block and associates of ATK that are going to flip. Ladies and gentlemen, everybody is saying not guilty right now. So far, some of them are deciding not to tell, and we're going to wait to see if that's going to be stricken like that or leave. But that also lets me know that the state is not giving anybody a plea deal or anything like that. Now, the girl I told you, Alicia Andrews, already messed up because she didn't make a plea deal or anything. She just gave a statement that's gonna get everybody in trouble. She claims that the gentlemen gave her a phone to use. She didn't know them or what they were gonna use it for, but yet all the agencies already can prove that she does know them. She's around Gutazay, and guess what? She's the girlfriend of Gutazay, and Sean Gatright was around her as well. This is not my word, ladies and gentlemen. This is what the team of prosecutors have already on file. You can see a lot that's going on. These dudes and females weren't thinking the best strategies to get out of this situation, but it's like the same situation when we seen Gutazay in court.
Before Jones's death, a separate Foolio, one of the 4 people arrested in connection. 632 new details this morning in the murder of Jacksonville rapper Julio Foolio. One of the 4 people arrested in connection with Foolio's death will have a hearing today. The state asking a Hillsborough County judge to deny bond for Isaiah Chance, saying he poses a threat to the community. He has pleaded not guilty. Police also arrested Sean Gatright, Chance's girlfriend Alicia Andrews, and Rashad Murphy in connection to that murder. This morning, new evidence shows Gatright is linked to a previous attempt to kill the rapper, whose real name is Charles Jones. Last year, investigators say they found a pistol, rifle, and a spent rifle casing after arresting Gaithright at a traffic stop. Those casings matched 2 different shootings before Jones's death, a separate homicide in May and a shooting last October in what investigators said was an attempt to kill Jones. Investigators said that shooting was the result of a deadly ongoing gang feud in Jacksonville. Police are still looking for Murphy's cousin, Davion Murphy. Before Jones's.
Now, looking at this case, I look at the work I do for you guys and what I put out for you guys, whether it's edit videos or videos of me just speaking raw and thorough to you guys. If the people don't believe in you, they will stop watching you.
Was at one time long ago, he gave his opinion. And whether you agreed or disagreed with it, you said, you know what, that's what he thinks. I hate this guy, I cannot stand him, and I'm gonna watch him every day. But once he started to become inauthentic, he no longer became must-see TV for those who once did enjoy him. Was at one time long ago.
And that's the truth, man. We're must-see TV over here because we keep the news raw and uncut. Now, what's going on with the 1,200 members is the situation. You're seeing a lot of things breaking down, a lot of fumbles and flags on the play that you would have to really think about. What did the entire groups and associates of Foolio did the 1,200 and ATK to make them want to crash out? Now, we've talked about some of those things with 1,200 members, sort of like when Rashard was caught and having that Bible and the weapon to his head. It lets you know everything that was going on with these group of gentlemen.
News alert.
Breaking right now at 8 o'clock, the 4th suspect in an ambush murder of local rapper Julio Foolio has been arrested.
So it happened after an overnight standoff in an apartment complex on the west side. News for Jax reporter Brianna Andrews joins us live. And Brianna, we just heard from the sheriff in the last 10 minutes.
Yeah, and the sheriff did confirm that police did make arrests, and now the 4th suspect involved in the Julio Foolio shooting death. So I want to show you this new video that JSO released. It shows the overnight standoff at Collins Preserve Apartments between I-295 and College Road. Officers confirmed just a few minutes ago that they arrested Rashard Murphy, again, the 4th person arrested in Julio Foolio's shooting death. They believe there's 5 people involved in this death. Now, the Jacksonville Sheriff's Office and U.S. Marshal Service tracked Murphy to that apartment complex, off Collins Road, where they arrested.
Now, Rashard, we don't know what he knows and what he's seen, but reports have come in for everybody. The entourage, as the affidavit refers to it, then made their way to the Teasers Gentlemen's Club, where Jones was paid to perform. After that, they headed to an after party at the Truth's 18 Club. The shooting ended up occurring at a cluster of hotels near USF. The documents also allege that one car served as the lookout, while the other car transported the shooters, the 3 shooters, that is, Davion, Rashard, and Sean. Fox 13 obtained 3 separate motions for pre-trial detention filed Saturday for 3 of the 5 suspects, Isaiah Chance, Alicia Andrews, and Sean Gaffright, as y'all seen on the video. The motion aims to ensure the suspects do not receive bond and that they remain in jail prior to the trial. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm DJ Blessed One, the best one. Love your family, love your kids, and truly indeed stay blessed. Man, we're gonna keep this thing rocking for y'all the best way, the right way. But without further ado, gotta leave, gotta rock and roll. This was the Peace.
Dirty Rasta chopper, shoot the man down, shoot them around and don't play around. Dirty man chopper, shoot the man down, don't never play your man around. Okay,
hey, call me Mr. Big Zo, whoa, oh. Magic spell hit the voodoo. Now we 5-star sipping on that baba cool. Mr. Where she go, eh? Now she down under. Mr. Thunder bring them fools out, no noise, eh? Now she finna see what they bout while you sit. Real Zos don't play, eh? That's the Zo way, only way, eh? Man down, shoot the man.
Dirty